Kublai pi baro pi pejak dikasih channel bagi man rasha pi ketuk Khubor jang kini Taiew minta. Kipang iba kongsan. Beriang sobha kipat ba ya ke presiden kari India hamau plang. Lingba shimbin jingya shimbin tau Amit Shah lapenya ya ka plenary session jong ka NEC. Mi madan ke HYC bandawa penyo no ya ka ILP ha ka jela. Mi ka jingya pen ibor ha padeng kinoyalam ka VPP bat Khubor district. Yale kailang shikmi shikun ha ki jingya kun ka 5th Meghalaya Games hatura. Bat kiwi de ki Khubor. Nyapai mentash ki Khubor benia. Ka Presiden Jong Kari India ka Srimati Draupadi Murmu kala sya padiang sobha ha ki pai ba ha ka jing lang bakerpang balapan long ha mau plang ha ka jing play pai ba ya ka rural tourism accommodation ha ki shnong kongthong malingod bad kudeng rim bad ya ka shlong ropeway bad kum jo ru bala play ki arteri ki surak balapan ba ki ba na rongjeng mangsa adogre road bad ka mairang rani go down azra road. Hagani ka program laidan lang ru menteri rangba ke jelau Conrad ke sangma ki arngut ki menteri rangba benrap kita uba prestun tinsong ba uba sneo bhalang dhar ke menteri sarkar jela ka bentup ya ka kong amprin ling do bat uba polling do habakran ka jingalang ka president jong kari India ka Draupadi Murmu kalapan pau ya ka jingkemen bani kendu ya ki riulum jong ka Meghalaya. Habapan pau ya kajing itanat jong kalau kentang ne ka mau plang Sacred Groves ka president kalaya ro ya kajing start jong kilong shua man shua kiba sotho ban pendan kam ya kajing mut kiba men shua ban penne ya kamariang.
When we use these things to go with, when we are inside the village, we used to communicate with the short version, but when we are outside the village, we used to sing the full tune. So now we have a team of these ladies, which they will showcase you as how we are practicing in our day-to-day life while we are walking in the field. So I request them to show how we are doing.
आज हम सभी बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं कि राष्ट्रपति जी माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी हम यहाँ हेरिटेज विलेज में मौजूद हैं जो हमारी संस्कृति और परंपरा को पुनर्जीवित करने का और संरक्षित करने का उद्देश्य में ये बनाया गया है। यहाँ 11 हिमाओं अथवा स्वदेशी प्रशासनिक इलाका इकाइयाँ का प्रतिनिधित्व करने वाली पारंपरिक झोपड़ियाँ हेरिटेज विलेज में स्थित है। राष्ट्रपति जी ये झोपड़ियाँ यहाँ स्थित है और माउप्लांग सेक्रेड ग्रोव आपके पीछे स्थित है।
सेक्रेड ग्रोव इसको लोग मतलब कल्चरली यहाँ पे पूरा जो जंगल है यहाँ से एक पत्ता भी ले जाने नहीं देते तो ऐसे बहुत सारे रिजर्व और प्रोटेक्टेड फॉरेस्ट मेघालय में।
O Menteri Katanat ki kampo yang jong ke sarkar India Amit Shah menhakasi palai jong ke Taiew ula play pat ba ya ka Cyber Security Operation Center ha headquarters jong ke Assam Rifles hani hano washlong ha ka jing dan lang u Lieutenant General PC Nair ubade u Director General jong ke Assam Rifles. Laban ong baka jingdon kini ka Cyber Security Operations Center kan penklan ya ka Cyber Security jong katanat sipai ban yo yakila jingtip halor ki jingma ki bala ban wan na shabar ban khangla de ki kam runar ne ki cyber violation ha Assam Rifles Wide Area Network ARWAN. Kani ka Cyber Security Operations Center kalabyang ki tiar ki bala ban syakri kumba arpusaw kanta ha ki hinyo sngi. Menakasi thwading jong kata yopad u Amit Shah u badai u menteri ka sarkar padang u badai pet ya katanat ki kampo yeng bad cooperation ula penya ya ka plenary session jong ka North Eastern Council NEC hapo State Convention Center hapo Shillong. La padang ru yaw Amit Shah da u menteri katanat dona u G Kishan Reddy u balong ru u vice chairman jong ka NEC. Ki he ki han ki be shimbenta ka program ki kin thup ya u menteri rangba ka Jalaw Conrad ke sangma u menteri rangba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma u menteri rangba ka Nagaland u Nefu Rio u menteri rangba ka Mizoram u Lal Du Hauma u menteri rangba ka Arunachal Pradesh u Pema Khadu u menteri rangba ka Sikkim u Prem Singh Tamang. Nakalyang u secretary ka NEC u Moses Chalai ula aya ka will give presentation halor ki rukam trekam jong ka council naga benta ka stem arajar apply arpusaw bat ki jingya chaprang ki kam ka council ka beide bat ka NEC vision 2047 document hagani ka jingyalang u secretary ka Ministry of Dona u Chanchal Kumar ula batay lingkot halor ki kam jong ka ministry. Kaloran ru ka jingpin i lingba ka presentation ka balingkot da ka NEC Planning Financial Advisor but u joint secretary ka dona halor ka jingmut bat ki thong ki bakabu halor jong ka than chatay lamingi. Umentri rangba benrap ka sarkar jila ba Preston Tensong badi pedru ya katanat PWD roads menha kasi balang jong ka Taiew ula thirting e ya kru komtrekam jong ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL ka bapentre ya ka surak Shillong dawki.
I've already called a meeting not less than 100 times with NHSL. Even me, from the government side, we are not happy with the way the functioning of the NHSL. Again, I will call and review meeting, and I'm so happy with this. The Senjuk Kirambashnong, along with the NGOs and all, they came up and showed the protest. I think this is good. Even me, I support that because I've seen these people. The style of functioning is totally different, and I've seen that even recently in Assam, a lot of complaint came in from the public, the way the style of functioning of NHSL is done.
Kakenhuan kinong yalam ka riwar mingi ringkat bat kato kat ni ki seng bhalang ki bekentup ya ka nyotrap Achik National Movement HANM bat ka riwar mingi local dorbar menakasi balang jong ka Taiew ki larai ki jing tho berta bat bertai ki kentien penrem hakmat ka office jong ka NHIDCL ka badon ha Barik Point Shillong.
Yang beredar.
Didawai sarkar bat ka NHIDCL Didawai sarkar bat ya ka NHIDCL Didawai sarkar bat ya ka NHIDCL
Tidak kami sim ka ba Sungkia bat kitkia ya la ka jong ka dong ka thain nakalyang ka Federation of Riwar mingi local dorba ringkat bat kini kikenhun seng malang ki bangila ya thau ya ka joint action committee ha kini ka Taiew ka baladap tingil awan menem step ban ra plakat akhmat office jong ka NHIDCL menta kasngi kumba pilai ba ka jingwan ka jongi ban ra plakat da ka bejajai ka long kum ka dak kashin ban penpau sya ka sarkar jela bat sya kini ka company namar ke jingtrei ya ka ka surok Shillong dauki kham tame na penusla sharum terter shalu isya umsim kalalong ka ba dang syupet filawan dan jongi khmat ka ba ngimi hapsyu ba ka dei ka surok tingin na kalyang ka jongi ngilawan menem step ban ra plakat te hadin bingi ra plakat kila khot ban yakren bat ngi kinong yalam hapo kani ka office ban yakendu ya u nong yalam lani u he jong kani ka NHIDCL tingila ekren hakabun kilyang ngila yathir tingila ekren ru ba kajingwan kajongi da kajing sokhialang barok khoj kinong sensyar sinong hakani ka thain riwan jong ka penusla barok away ringkat bat kini ki association tourist bat ki nong nya kali nang thi na po ka thain kajongi da ka ba niwan da kaju kasur da kaju ka nongrem ban dawa na ka state government bat dawa na kanika company national highway in kanika NHIDCL baka day ban le no mardor ya kanika surok ngi iba man ka por ki supen bit man ka nangi iba kiwi ki seng malang kilayaki man usnam ngilai ki ya kanika isu ya kanika surok ndai undan basngap undan basimkia ngilai i rubana kaliang ESDO ila simkia badia shong meeting bat ki nong yalam sinong bat ki seng balang bat kiwi ki association nrei ngim iba kampoi sai kanika jinga shong meeting ringkat badi SDO tena kaliang jungi hakani ka singi ka bamenta niwan naga jing sungkhia balada kanika company kamla ban ai ka jing trai kabapura ya kanika surok ban pendep hakanika phase 4 bat ka phase 2 kabingi iba kanika jing sniu palat ka surok tingi ngila ya kren syai menta na kaliang jungi kila pen pau baki don kijing habon kiliang tingi kanika deka XU ke jongki ngimpediang na kaliang ka federation na kaliang ka JSC ngimpediang ya kijing kran ya kijing ajumut jongki nrei kila pen pau ban ai deka jing top ban pendep no menta katokan ne benai kini surok ne kene jungi ngisim ngipediang nrei ngibu ru ya kanika tarik baladaki kimla banle hakanika arphusngi kumbangi lai bu ngilai kran menta ngikran markhamat bangi aipor arphusngi ya kanika company ngi aipor arphusngi ya kanika sarkar balada kamla banle ai ya kanika surok ngimbanse bankiu sya kamikle high court da kabingi nujor da KPIL kata kadai kabangi kran hakabashai hakmat jongune general manager jongka NHIDCL ban ngikran ru sya bashai sya sarkar bagane kada kejing jenjar jeng pe ba la lightly kisnam ngilamat ya kene kejing sniu ko surok kiudor kimar kimarta kiudor kibai kali nangta kakta ya kalet kawan jong ki briu jongi hakali kawan ladai ki bapang ki bestom khamta me ki khna buling yoi bah kini ki kisnam poliyor ngi i ba bon ki khna puli jongi ki thut hake exam namar ko surok tang supoi ko poliyor play i chethe kadap daka nangta ki dukut ki surok nangta ki lentik sengking ru kimlong ki basingan banyai nangta ngi isu wat ki mensimbri ru ki ladu hakeni ka jing trai keni surok kum mapile i mdi bangi kran hangwi ilapan pau makir ki sutho tikane kadai ka warning lane ka jing ai ka jing mana na kani ka company bat ka sarkar balada phimle ai ar phos ngi nakalyang ka federation ka JSC ngimbansi banlei ujorno sya ka megle high court da ka PIL
kum kinong song sinong jong ka than Riwan, but boleh unjuk nama ka Federation of Riwan ini local dorban. Kepada lum nalang yang iki action, jong ka punsla action, but ki Southly ki action ki bangidon siya kita katang, ki badai ki tourist, ki sumo, ki local taxi, but ki swift indika. Te nagalyang jongi, kum ka action. Ngiyo iya ka jing long bom sut nyaw kane ka office NHIDCL rangkat bat ki kontraktor jong ki bakil bu na kasnem ja kasnem menta om duna balapalat ya ka license ladat ban penjot ya ka surok na chelong syadu dauki ka jing donnan jong ka ndai menta ngi snow ya ka ban ai ka jing khulai ka federation ka jing khot jong ka banyo banyawan yania banyawan yabun ketien hangi ndai ka jing bun ketin jing kalong da ka bajai ni simbai ya ka jing ya sungthu bat ka jing ya mirjing lang hagudai ka federation kumju bat ka NHIDCL bat nakal yang jungi ki action khamtam kinong nong kinong song kali bat kumju ya kinong nya kali ban penpoi kinong nong kador jong ka bai song kali kala long sabapal kadaw kalong nagajing snail jong ki kali khamtam nagajing snail bat ka jinglong thleu kis ar jong ka surok kawa penlong ya ki kali bakin pha nagawe ka Taiew sakawe ka Taiew ban pen pha namar ban kit ya ki nong le nongwan bat kawa khame nagalyang jong ki kup silang ki sam silang namar ya ka surok nadu pun sla syadu dauki tambil layoi ya ka jinglong bom kenko bat layoi balayo right ru da u local MLA u badai u deputy chief minister jung bat lagi ju Khubor u badai u bapek ka nega suro te kumta ni penpau ya ka jing diao ha be de kham tam e bat ka ni ka jing long jing man jong ka sulo te nakalyang jong ni kum ki action ni IUP ba pin penbana ya ka ni ka jing wan ya shem jong ni bat ki hapo office jong ka NHIDCL bat ni pharu ka kro sha ka pluri bat u minister jong ka pluri ba re pe ri khmi nakam ta ka lyang jong ka srok ka lek kawan ka balong but lom ka jing yo ka jing kot ndai nakam ta ka jing sneu ki song srok ban ka jing penbaha ki trai kali ya ki kali jong ki kalawan ka jing du nong siwa palan tela kata kata ka yo ka kot ka lahir bat ka jing long jing man ka chong srok idon ka jing kermen bang yo no nang ni sikma
Kementeri ke Sarkar Jila ke Badairu ke Kertong NPP na Shillong Lok Sabha seat ke Kong Amprin Lingdo kala kentho yau MP ubaminta uba Vincent H Pala halor ka jing yai ja ka jong una ka parliamentary constituency ke jong.
See, the first thing that as a candidate I would caution myself would be number one, don't talk ill of anyone. Don't condemn anyone. Don't baselessly evaluate any of my competitors and the parties that they hold, because too many skeletons are there in too many political parties. To profess that a political party has been representing the people of the state of Meghalaya in one Shillong parliamentary seat for so long, saying that the MDA 1, MDA 2 has done nothing is a baseless allegation, because then it will generate an interest and a focus on their own contributions as MP. So I do not want to retaliate on a statement which is careless and which is not true, because I think the people of the state of Meghalaya can actually see that in the last 6 years there has been substantial improvement on road communications, substantial marked improved conditions of health facilities. Healthcare today is affordable for the common man. Now, we must also remember that if you look around you, look at the projects that have evolved, look at the projects that have come before you. Communities have now received a redressal of long pending road projects, long pending community projects, long pending projects in tourism, projects in in transportation. Things are much better, and I believe that one should not be irresponsible while giving a statement, because then everybody will turn around and question your own performance. What is your report card? Look at your own report card first before you hurl accusations on a dispensation, a current dispensation of a government which is doing a lot. Anybody who says nothing has been done, I think, is merely hurling this accusation without introspection. I will be ready and available to share with the people of my constituency, which is the one Shillong parliamentary seat, on the things that have been done by this government. I'm happy that at this point of time we're also preparing the speech for the Republic Day celebration of the state. We are preparing speeches for Meghalaya Day celebrations across the state. These will stand as testimony to the things that the government has done to the people of the state of Meghalaya. We will continue to serve. We will be scrutinized. It is expected as a candidate I will be under scrutiny. Yes, I understand that there are some negative publicity that will be cashed in by my opponents on the CBI case, for example. But I'm very confident to share with the public that I am not afraid, and that investigations are ongoing, and that up till now there has been no indication that gives any credit to the negative publicity that they will be creating about me. I am like any other citizen under scrutiny. It's okay, we can scrutiny. And you can also look at some of the things that I have personally contributed towards the welfare of the public in my 10 years as MLA in all these years. And I will not fear, I should not fear. We must be able to speak about some of the things that are going to happen. Where's the harm? And I believe that people will evaluate me from the service that I have rendered in all these years to the people. And as a public servant, I'm so honored that today, after winning 5 elections, my party feels that I'm fit to contend or be one contender for the MP seat. And I can only say, vote for me. Don't look at the negative things that people say about the NPP as a party. We must not segregate the state into segments, communities. In this century, we must not look at the NPP as the only party which is corrupt. There should be substantial debate, evaluation, discussion on what you are saying the NPP has done. Obviously, we are in government. There has been no government in the past where candidates have not been assigned equal responsibility for some failures. Every party will have its failures. Every party will have its success stories. And at this point of time, I personally, along with my colleagues in the party, will dwell on the successful things that have happened and have taken off in the state. So having said all of that, we are closing in to the announcement of this MP election, and I will give this election my best, and I offer my candidature to the people, and I hope that the people will vote for me. I hope the people will have faith in me. I hope the people will be confident that their candidate is a candidate that will work hard, a candidate that will rise to the challenge of becoming an MP with a difference. This is the new thing that I feel people will be offered this one election, because every time there is an election, you see players of the same kind again and again. This time, public have a good choice of candidates. And I hope that they will look at the NPP as a party which is a party belonging to the state of Meghalaya. The first thing that I hear public or vis-a-vis voters say is that we've not felt the presence of an MP. For a long time, there is a big distance between MP and public. So the first thing that I will promise the people, which is my mode of functioning, will be, I will be seen, I will be heard, I will make myself available, and I will return back to visit you the moment you make me your MP. So these are fresh things again on my blackboard. It is going to be a multiple contest of multiple personalities and parties who have all in some way or the other served the community, whether in a personal capacity or whether from political parties that are now poising themselves up to this pole. But I feel confident that doesn't really matter how many political parties are going to be putting their hats in, but I feel that it's important for the ruling dispensation to communicate effectively to public as to what will be its main agendas. We are just about getting a 20-point program that we are going to be now authoring. We have to author this properly. We have to look at the general elections of the state, the manifesto that the NPP also presented. we're going to make sure that between 1 Shillong parliamentary seat and 2 Shillong parliamentary seat, agendas will be the same, bearing few other issues like, the border talks, and other issues like, the public opinion on certain important developmental projects. So I do not feel that there is much tension amongst political parties. I feel that now we are all matured and we all feel that we have reached to those stages in our efforts to serve the state, and I don't foresee that there will be a conflict that is going to be mudslinging or hitting below the belt. I personally would like to see an election where there will be no such personal attacks on individuals, and I feel that all of the candidates whom I know till now are candidates of great repute. I will respect everyone. I will not look down on any one political party, because we are anyways coalition partners with most of the candidates that will likely come, barring the Congress candidate.
Menasi thought the Jong Taiew, Menteri Rang Ba Benrap Jong Sorkar Jelau Ba Prestun Tin Song, Ulapen Pau, Baga Sorkar, Kalong Bakloy, Ban Pile Wang Yai Kijing Kang na Kabendaka Seng HNLC, Bakan Wan Banyakren Ishakami Yasuk.
Kipa Shangi Yakren Hakatok Kabanung Kong Kablade ko official talk. Kaway Kibo Balakamno Baday Ban Petikna Yakasif Passage Ladawan Leaders. Kabaar Hoi Kibo Ba Live No Yakaban Kum Kaseng Leno Kanang Bansuk Kajikren Bat Kabalai Kabaki Ong Kalong Ba withdraw ru yakikis barok kibadon ha kikut kibaperper yakini kilai teligi shu kasih passage komo opini la kular bat ni la le ru kila sa ru bun Taiew shani ni ai ka safe passage number 1 number 2 ki take care ru yakina dong shadong kam don kanu ban ong bangilong arsap laisap naglang sorkar kabaar kabaki request ban bade ban weng ban live no iko to kaban ya katuru ngi ong ngi dang ya kren mata dang de kas karaum ka benengkong ai ba ka jing kren ka dia but andal ayat san sin nen riu sin ki issue iwe hati ngin saya resolve ya kata ngin saya kren man poi sigi jing stu jumut te ki bu ia kataka daw kyong ban na daw baka sorkar India kam lift ia kane na daw mi kwa ban discontinue la ne ban stop no egajing kren haka bangahi la de ngina ka state government na kren na basai nilong sincere hadu menta na mut ban ong bangi dang garpat ia kinong elam ke chelsea one secretable jo ke kren tong ini kren but kabak hadu kabagi ong ba they ban withdraw shoy ka case jom ki kadas kitu ki balasya register ki badon ha ka case ya katar ngi ong ai kalis begini keren ai shoy kalis barokot kanu phungut kita ki balasya chat sheet lani kanu phungut kita ki balasya buk ai syangi kalis kanang bah ka next stop ke jing keren kan ngin nang yo susu ban play balik se kita uta hakata kakut pi kita ki syuk ki ba ngingi keren kata tingangas ngo lengo sibun bah ka bakadu how new December ka sgi ka bakadu atan jus na mo lalek ki withdraw man ya kena kecil keren dengan kwa ban pensai kedar ban nakalian jong state government but ka central government ru hak jing sya hadu menta ni dalong very sincere but ni dang kwa ai ba kan ke jingkren kan betek ka pistok banyai bakan ya chaman te abagi ai kini ki daw ko mo pi ki kno pan ban ya ka government ba ka government kam ship kia le ne kam le tum ne kum tai nga thrai kata ka babakla Tinga kuat rubat persyai hakamat kipai ba joga jela ka jungi nakaliang joga komen hi haduk mentaru ngina kuat ban khot ya kinoyalam joga channel si wan shigijing kren kajing khang kadang play wat ladap la ayang i kajing thok da ngina kaliang ka sarkar still ngidang kerpat ngobha perkhat si hajar se wat perkhat lungkot jimut berat perkhat si hajar se but what syukuno ka sarkar but pinamyo kadang kabuk sia na kalian ke sarkar jungi ka bangile na ka MDA wan ngatrai ka sin ka benengkong pio ni opportunity ba ngin la ban poi hadu ka ni stage ten rei penban hakapor ka bangla poi hakan ni ka senjam ka benengkong kesan pi withdraw no na ka ni ka jingkren te na ka daw ma pa ban persyai hakan ni ka por bat ru lengba jong ka kot khubor paro akwa ru ban ong ban khot biang yakin nong yalam jong ka chitang si ba lakum dukum nuru perkhat thamai perkhat biang wan syakami jong ke jingkren naman ngila dep kren ru da kabasai lada phis ngau ba phim long sip phim sau long sngan wat banya kren hang le haslong hapo megla ngilong ready banya kren hakanu nu chaka kataru nakaliang jong sarkar kami ban nakaliang jong state government ngila kren da kabasai lada phis ngau kum ki top leaders ba phim ngau sngan to ong ma phi hakanu jaga nginwan ban ya keren kenang ba ngida angnut bangi di kwa chicha ba ngin poi no syaga jinga suk bat ba ngin ya sok sain nang ne sekmat
Hadin gitu khubor nya sang ya shipol nya sedang ai pai shapi na bentai kini kibai pat ki khubor mi madan ke HYC bandawa penyo no ya ka ILP ha ka jela mi ka jinga pen ibor ha padeng kino yalam ka VPP bat ki board district Yale kailang shikmi shikun haki jinga kona ka 5th Meghalaya Games atura. Bat kiwi de ki khubor. Pidaya pe yangi gari khasi channel ni na beteng bia mentai ki khubor. Kanyautrap Youth Council apo kajing alam jong President Rangba jongka uba Roy Kuparsan Rem ringkar kajing dan lang ki dekat jong HYC Central Body baki ru ki circle manakasi thoding jong Taiew kilami pat ba badlik turbiang shejan ka secretariat nak benta bandawa biang sa sisien ya ka inline permit ILP.
We want ILP! We want ILP! We want ILP! ILP Abandayo! 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 ILP Abandayo! 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 ILP Abandayo! 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 Abisha! Go back! Abisha! Go back! Abisha! Go back! ILP!
Ling arrange ini lagi yang percussion kali hidup mentah-mentah itu benda itu belum mau just ngulang ini let's say another 2-3 hours ni hidup ni pentau persya ya ke Sarkar India ya ke jingkuman ke jongka pan penteri kamno ya ke ILP wat hadin pada state government ke lepas secret resolution adu sama kendai ni persya ro ya ke jingwan jong Amit Syah nomor Shimlawan wan marak ke phojda naga benta banyada pan kiri ke jabendri ujongi te menta kasgi nagliang jong HYC ni pentau ke jing persya da ke bangin penher gini ke balun ban pentau ba ni persya bahado menta mene hempat cemlaai ya kata ka anya dari lande ke ILP ya ke jai benriu kasi lande ke state maklia jongi tur siaprang sipai gari tur siaprang sipai gari we want ILP we want ILP we want ILP we want ILP nginyele abandayo 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 nginyele abandayo 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 saya kali
ban pau la ne ban yaki hakani sni kalong ba baru ngite minister bude peje ka kampo yang joka jong Sarkar India mentau don hang ne po Shillong na du menin kum ka jai benri mentari ki pau Islam jai ap ya ka jing ku ka jing krang ka jongi ban yo ki mai ki jura ka kum ka benri krang ka ka dei ILP bat ka tin khasi abang ilet ban ye kendu ya ki nong ilam jong Sarkar ka jongi na ka po sa ka po na du chief minister ki deputy chief minister ka juba ka bangi yo naki kalong ba ka Sarkar India la ne ka home ministry kadang examine sa ya ki ni ki artli ki mat ka jingwan ka jongi menta ka si kalong ba penpau long ba ka ni ka jing ki ka jongi ba ka ni ka sur jing ki jongi kan poi ha home minister jong Sarkar India bat bu un kren man ngim tep ka jing kren apa deng chief minister jongi la ni ki minister ka jongi bat home minister jong Sarkar India hakini ki sansnem ki belalen tingi kwa ba ba udon hang ni Shillong udah ban semua ya kasur ka jongi ka jing krang ka jongi kum ka jai ben kum juru udah ban keren namar hakini ki Islam ki belada belada one meeting hang ni Shillong Amit Syah kum home minister ngim juyo i bu un keren sikan tien ru abai de kini ki mat ki bakta ya gari ba ka jai ben ka jongi de ka jingwan ka jongi menta ka singi ka long ban pentau Peningkong dari kajing persya ya kajing sengak menti bat kajing kuman juga Sarkar apo kajing alam juga BJP apa arban penram bikin alam juga Sarkar kajongi di bom simkia kini gimat ki jura juga kajai benriu bat kum juru ban pha la de ban bu kajing kli ki besai syaka Sarkar India apo kajing alam juga BJP la ka Sarkar India ka kloi ni am ban ai ya ka ILP ban itu ya kajing kasi apo ka khnit ka bapra jong ka riti sanchar ka India kata ka kajing tumu jong kajing wan ka jong kasi
Namar ka jinglong kuman jong ka Sarkar MDA 2 belalam khamadau Conrad kes sangma nagabantaban penrung kambiang ki officer jong ka office lok ayukta kumta nagaliang jong ki dekhot jong ka saying Voice of the People's Party lapan long ya jinga shong ka line mongor hajan ka main secretariat
just allow us to just go through.
So how can you report kita
Ini kerap kena nang ni one more thing.
Ladi ben
clarify
kita ni. Ladi ben kuat betul kita yang belum sangat. Ni. You respect kita ni.
We have that kind of respect.
What is there? Ni.
Just one.
Lấy cái dạy lạnh. We have been waiting for so long. If they are serious enough, they should have sent a message with a yes or no so that we will understand. Otherwise, there's no seriousness from their side also. But our intention is very clear. Just we have received instructions. Violation of 142 in itself is if there is more than people who say. So we are going just three of us. Just MLAs are going. Just MLAs are going. Our intention
Dialogue is always important, sir. Yes, sir.
But it's no hadu south stick.
Yes.
Sa kalong clear. Henry namar mo tiyong makalong kita.
We try to
Just go through and we'll come back here. So what is there?
We appeal to your sense of leadership, sir. Please help us, sir. We appeal to your sense of leadership. You have been patient with us.
As a public
You have been
representative, I'm
patient
talking
with
as
us.
a citizen of
Please,
this
sir.
country. I have every right.
Citizen of this country, requestively, sir.
I have
As a
every right.
one citizen to another citizen.
And I'm not taking everyone. We are going to we are guaranteed. See, they are there.
Come along, you are guaranteed. Come back.
See, they are there. I'm going alone.
Vested interest.
I'm alone. Just three of us.
Nagaliang ka jongi kumbang ilatu persang bandet saka-saka kabangi lambut. Nrei nagaliang jongka sorkar yai kita ulimbah di district administration ba kamlong banginit antai. Henry nakaliang ka jongi yang to ngin syong hang ni kalabiang namta jongi rengi skwa nakaliang ka jongi kum MLA bandet. Oh, banya dan nakatiga jaka tadi ka jengkwa jongi. Henry ni persang banya Henry ke district administration yang bagi police department mo ki bagi labu ang tu dari ki persang ban khang ini hakajing ya mo persang banya kadon ni ka skofil enrai ya kata ngim da sungui enrai ke ka bangi hapan sotu ani ka longba kumnu yangi ki elected representative bo pai ba Bona ki constituency likely ki constituency bo pat ba ula benset hangi bansim ya kanu kamat ya kanu ke issue ka bakta ini iwan hang ne ban demonstrate na kalian kajui ban pelong ya demonstration Henry ka basosi kelong ba kim sha wat tangi tenga men yang nang ong lada mangi ki elected representative ro ngimla ban yang ha kani ka ji ki ke jungi Kambut it sends a very wrong message. Seki pat ba jong ni gejala ka jungi ni. Oh. Kambut ba kani ke government kalong dictatorial, kani ke government ka mailat, bat pensko ki jong pi. Rena kalian ka jungi yong ki ailat nam ailat, de ka jungi kun ka jungi kan nang yan. Oh. Manta kasi ka kut hang ni. Yi accept kasi kan kut hang ni. Henry. Ka jungi kun jungi ka pat kut, pat nginai beteng kumblong manta hadu bagi reinstate yang kita ki officials
kendia pada habai di begini ki kulit ki badan ki konfan bat pi atau kan nimplit ki do kamdan bakado rezeki kamdan tek kai ba kum ngom
Iya kata hi ngadang keli mana ki police personnel hantu. Hi hak jing sisya. Kim dei ban ka ekadur khmat jong ki. Tang urus niu baka ekadur khmat. Mo. Baraka juk oporu man wei police personnel. Kene nimplit ki bandon. Nang bau pai ba ula ban identify. Namar om tang public bebakla. Gaban bakla pihak ban stu kata. Teng-teng yo kadang kejing bakla. Na kaliang jongki government officials. Jekum nungin identify. Teng-teng brio kan implit rum don. Teng-teng ka dur khmat ru laka sakawai ka bangi ko aban banang ni kalong ba. Mo. Who knows. Mo. Kidon ki bakwa ban pin pulom me kani kejing khon kejungi. Habalaka ka dur implit rum don. Yo don baspa dan no bam dei pulit ru. Kitip kata. Ha? Habla mas, buri pat ba ru laban mas rong don lang atul se pha mano. Ha? Kajing kli bi kata.
Kalau gini ki event file am dak complain.
Em ya kai ka bangi de belne ngin sale. Na kalian kajungi ke parti, ngin sesong ngin perkhat, bat ya ka badi belne ngin le kata. Ngin address. Ya ki issues ki ba kajungi tu kajungi mentasi, kai ka badong kam address, ngin address accordingly kita.
Now we are being guided by the acts and the rules. Those days, see, because we really wanted to make sure that Lokayukta is in place, start functioning, in spite of the fact of huge shortage of officers that we have. Ultimately, we managed somehow to again reappoint those retired officials. So Lokayukta started functioning and it is functioning till now also. But let me just tell you one thing. The rules and the act says very clearly, it should be the serving officers. The post should be appointed none other than the serving officers. So accordingly, we did that. But I saw the demand number one of BPP is that reinstate those two or something. Is that?
Yes.
Reinstate it. Or, okay. Otherwise, will be on the street. I would like to ask from them, on what basis? Reinstate for what? On what basis? Because now we already have a full-fledged serving officers in all these three posts. We already fill it up. And they were only on contractual basis. So, for what? I really don't understand. Why do they have to, go to the street and say all this? We have seen the letters sent by them. We have studied it, everything. And then we have already clarified also. That is like this, like this, like this. These are the rules, blah, blah, blah. So we have done it. So I don't see anything wrong at all with the decision taken by the government to bring in serving officers to these important three posts.
I was there. Nakalian juga BPP, kaong ba syua bakan mi isurok keladapan pulih ya ka Meghalaya Lokayukta Act. Bat kum ka kaong ba omdei retired lana ki serving officer, hendrai gi officer gi badai ki badan ya kata kaju kerdan kum ba mention hapok ka. Tegi ong bakin beteng ba ya gi ki kat ba sarkar kam reinstate ya kini ki laingun.
Ngim reinstate. To karus pa kaong no.
Kiong ba kat kum kaat ki officer kilak bandai ki retired lani ki badang serve hapok ka service jomki henry ki di bandan ya kata kerdan kum bala provide kat kum tu kaat kilak bandai ki IAS ki MCS tema kata kerdan ki di bandan
kade to ni pada ngong ya
mereka klaim empat ba kindai baik kan kini ki serving officer
page ni ngong ya pitang away habang i ong serving but retired kay gi jinga per Retired and saving is what? Kaya different. But kaya responsibility. Jong ki retired but ki saving. Shubo mentangi ni ki retired. Kamtam kini ki post kini ki walang very important. Makin function. Te shubo don kanur kanu. Kaba ke complication. Ki kino be ni lale ni donate. Lalu berkelar Debbie. Kepala adres kalau nggak surkarkan sesu, pun no. Handle you saving officers, we can't do that. Nampak bela you? Keputusan sekadar. Kum no ban le, kum no ban trade, berpin boot, ya kerul di kaaj. Tik patik, ban le berkelam long. Nampak nggak kumok opi bunsin, anda lah song type. Lah long be mendai te kum ki full-fledged employees. Ki full-fledged employees plus tu ke responsibility. Ke jongki. Ke number 2, ka point number 2. Habangi ai ki saving officers. Ni save ru. Ha jaka bingin ai ki de salary. Ni ai ki TADA sitting fees. Takatala biak. Mendai ba ai ki de tulok. Te hantar orang pi kalah mentoi sibun. Today, he dengar orang pingi dalam syong bahang ila sani lut nadong sodong. They on that basis ba ngisa thung. Daki saving officers ha kitu ki post, but kitu ki post yiki bagi thung mentaruk lewat. Yo pi ong bagi violate ya ka rules selnai ka act. Na ka tu ka post ka ba ngaong pi ka bagi la thung mentak kita lain.
Kakasi Students Union KSU Ranikor Circle menakasi balang jong katayo kaladawan ka sarkar jelaban phat test ya ko jong ka wa kinshi ka batut Ranikor la kalong ne em de kaban pindon kam de kipat ba na marka jing kalarong ka jong ka
Kay ka ba nakaliang chungi sokya na po isu Ranikor Circle ba nakaliang chungi ngili ya kajing jabo no kawa kinshi ka ba kalarong jengam menta bat nakaliang jo ka tisu ron koskal ka aslam ka ngila ong ka sarkar ba kadai ban tes ya to kawa ba adu kanu ka wa kensi ba kalalombi te kat hadu unta ngili ba nakaliang ka sarkar ka supa tang ka pollution control board ka kalale atang maka te kat hadu unta ni kita report juga Mekalea Pollution Control Board kas syukut tang putu mentes ni klemi man pernah ba kalong sengai nanta kipai ba nanta pan penokam yang dibawakan si te kalong ge ba ka jinglap jungi kepadin ba aslam ba ngili ba kajing ketrai kajing pang kantam kajing pang papong poran ko area ran ko menta ka jelai kajing yap nam taga Jepang kasa. Begini di ba lakta iki badang po arp kondais nam prasnan kepala don wei ko juniru lakta na Jepang kasa. Nam ta tengi la penom bagat la bande nang tukawa re libat nia imang tukawa mania khwai do miswa mania sum mania jini tukawa re mentapat kipai ba tumasnong ngadu ba seng kala dak kentui kipai ba bakinom ya ngkam sik tukawa baroi ba kilakian bani jini bani ai program tu kawa di kolong ke ba sokundit bani biang ba kelami biang ka man perlong tamasar tu ko big festival tu kawa te kolong ke ba sokya ta ki weipat ki priu ki ba na ki weipat ki district ti bomtip ya kai ke ba na liang ki su ni so ban kantu ki pai ba ban kiar na ba sum tu kawa bani di mar banya di atau nomor bahasin Malayawan kini Samir itu kini Syekh Tiabam dapat atau di kamlong sengai nam tak kibai pak katkum ke juni di kini kebangi itu kesukar ba sobha ba ya kini kawa ba kini ban le tes no mardor hari kanu ke jing shombi kelalong bi kini kawa ban kui tu ya kini kawa nak kalian juni kesai ikut kini biang ya ke jing kui tu kawa nomor mensua ladang Syong dah kalian ilak bani ya kawa kumba long hamuat
kaba ngilak bani syatrai jong tu bawa te mendapat kalau cengam bawa kaba kelarong adu betul bat kamsem don jing sing kian yang sarkar tak kadau ngiwan bani sama re hoi kaba nakaliang tinggi kamdai bani wan bani persyak ta festival dari kan bawa halor kejing long juman jong tu bawa pensi poran ko
Hadian gitu ki Khubor nginya senge biang sa shipor da yaisa ban ngin swan phai biang shepi na kabenta kini kwi pat ki Khubor. Yale kailang shikmi shikun ha ki jingya khona ka 5th Meghalaya Games atura. Bat kiwi de ki Khubor. Kikimeki kipa kipa paskul ha KV apa Shlong manakasi balang jong ka Taiew kilalit banya kendo ya u managing director jong ka MTC uba KL Nongbri ban pin sngo ha u halor ka jingpin kyudor kan san ya ka bai school bus nakashi pojar south pasan phomin chems nam arajar arpulai shaka khatlai hajar news pasan phomin dagas nam arajar arpusau
nya dalang kini kimi ba kikun ru kibenya pa school lam si school ba KV apa Shlong di bangi kipenan kam ni pa e kikun ning ba jong school bus MTC ti habangi ya phai sha ka bai dei ba ka jingkiu kan san jong ka bai school bus tingi su thu ba bun hi kiknik pa kimi ut phang ka bai school bus tang ba umdan nong ya lam umdan nong ya keren nama ba ka jinglong khasi jongi ka khamduna bangi ya long tali ti si hendrai menta ka sni ka long ba kla ta si shai ka kla jongi guduk besok bakatu kat ne mentangi syukhat ke ni dan tangkat ningot hendrai kidan pelayawan nang mene ta belai kaki ba let ti da kan ni ka benta ka ba menta ka sni kwan yang iwan man ya keren yang director managing director jongka MTC hang ni Shlong ba ki Nongbri ti hakabaya keren bat ni suku bai ong balai ba sang iwan nak bangi penpau bi jing sokya mo ni ar ba jing tho hai ti hadin jong je keren yang ada tho ngan tho dengan penpau bi sokya nama ba ka kiu kan san ka bai school bus ni ngen ni sa na lai mer ni pha e ki khon cha nyau mer ti ka bai school bus da ni thu ni man ka snam ni thu cha tang ki snam na du snam arajar aku ka bai school bus ka dei nyau hajar san spa kata ka dei tang san kilometer na po lai mer cha nyau mer di nangta shishu ha kasnam arajar arpuar kadai nyo hajar san spa haus nam arajar arpulai kadai shipau hajar saus pa san khong bat haus nam arajar arpusau menta kala kiu kan san sha ka khatlai hajar nyo spa san khong bat katu kat ni kat kum ka jing patpau jongi ha khamat jing director mane pelong bang kaba pelingo yang ikum kimi paru kelong ba hau haka prateri kum jun bana Januari kidan katu kat ne kimi pagi bla da renew ya kat boss siapa ISBT setia siapa office of NTC ti habdien mikila renew haka prateri kum jun Januari kidang yo ya kador ke berim kaba sipo hajar saus pa san pau kata kadang dei ke jong senam ajar pulai tikat batang hadin stayo nak mentau ni ujuk yu senam ajar pusau kalak penkela nok kedor pakala dei nok syaka sipo hajar asyaka khatlai hajar news pa san pau tikat ba pelingo susu yang ni kum ki kemegi pa ka bangi keren syapang kan ni ka by school bus kelong ka bagajing penkiu kensan ka bomsong nong rim namar ha ka bai dei mangi ki baya trei bela basya trei bela beria namar nia pha ya ke school ki khun syaka central school namar bahang te ka by school ru kadang khamduna le singala ban ong tang kumban 3000 subnai ka lam lang 8000 sekuata kila dengi pha ki school private lama nang khamram rei namar ba le singala ban ong la da kabiang ka school government ha keleng ki jaka tingi la da komisi nang kendong ila ban pas dengan ni bro minta kita ki khamne be sor nama ka school ka biang ti hendrei ke bakta pada ingin minta kelong ba ka by school kaduna kata ka by school bos ke kiu sebapalan ti ka bayan ujor pada ni dapat na lor kata ambil kata ka ba kani kador khatlai hajar news pa sam thoru ke im ngatrai na ke department jong ki klempet kat kum ka kilometer nama kani ka di kilom ye baro ki barung ki ba kiu ka bos ki kena school ba kiu bos nandu na ke renja na maulai le sing no pi kani ka ju ka dor khatlai hajar news pa sam thau tikat mamangi na lai meru ni ham ai ka dor khatlai hajar news pa sam thau kada ka di ka dor ba mentau snam tikat bangi wani krani ye director menai yong ba balai pi wan ot tang ma pi tingin ngong ngi dan ki khon hayeng ka sangot sangot ki dan ki balai ngot sangot ki pha na ka ju ka school ha ka ju hi ka bos te kalak ta jor kala poi teng lak ne silak duna kan poi la da ka de ka dor khatlai jan news pa sam thau ti kalak khia bahasa bi yong ba kani ka de ka jingi kran da ka bu ngam tip kala dan sisa ka ta jing kran ne em hendrei kata ka de karai ka bangi dai kli sethi sepo NTC ki ong ba kani kala de ka ba balak ki kena bakla ki ka high school bus ti ka bangim su thu shu kan namar ba kami pek ya kajing thu jong ka government hakini ki mention snam kum haki kum ki kajing ekran ni ka assembly mention snam ngasngo baki ong ba ka government hi kan persangkat bala ban penduna ya ki private vehicle kenang ban lekta ya ka traffic ndai mental ada kajing penhe jong ka school bus kalong kum ni kanang ai la thu pada yo pai ba bon se la ka jong ka da private bus tekan kala ni ki private vehicle bakin ya ni bu school ki kon tin nalo katarong ni penpau ki jing sokya ni kalong bai ba ni da terpat na kaliang jong ka sarkar ni ngap terpat na kaliang jong department kan bishar benia pha ka bai dai bakan ni namar ni suthu bakla ta shisha kat sebab hai pai ba usyam bitang jing genja pagi jing salute sudah namar kan ni la penpau bai ba kala salute ka pelajon ki beria ki belaria ti hakabai dei bakaniru hakajing kran jongi menne bat i directi ong bai ba undan bawan ujo namar le se ki berang bun hi mentau senam kim pat tip ya kanika jing pen thamai kanika dor namar tang katu kat ningut ki balawan pen thamai ka kat bos apo NTC ti tidang lap tang katu kat ningut dan hakani ka ju pon ngalap ba kala ta sisa ya ka bisa di jong hidup kisuk de nakata miwan penekran ni ye director menta kasni de hakabai de bakan ngi kerpat bat menta kasni hing kerpat gitu ki kimi ki pa ki badan ki khon ki ba pha school hang te pok ki vi hi de ngi kerpat ba da ka jing dan lang kat ningut ho ni de ki khon ki ba ki kimi ki bangi dan khon arngot laingot sangot ki dan jimnan ki para ki be pha ki jok school ki kala khia sisa ngi kerpat ki kimi ki pa ki badan ni de ki jong ki khon ba da ka jing sim khiala na kumta ki khon jong ki namar ba nila bandong ya ka bala dep in pen ka de history hendrei ka kamram jongi kum ki pat ba hi ni dei ban shim ya responsibility le ne ka duty ka kamram jongi kum ki pat ba hi bangen ya kren ka bamenta bat ka ban sawan namar ba la da ki shi ki kum ni man ka snam tang snam arhajar ahusan kan sapoi ka by school boss cheki khat rew khat nyo hajar shi snam te na ka ta ka kan ta ba kum bai ong director men ne bai ong bakala kiu ba ka bai petrol ru man ka banai man ka snam ka kiu te hadu ka no tak bai petrol ngi rungi pendan kam bai petrol man ka si de ka kiu shi ya tingka kam dei ba ka kiu ki hajar te ka ne ka ta shi shai kata tingi kerpar ret akhmat jong ki bagi ki mix pa ki badan ki khon ba paskol pok ki di sngo ba tang kin hon barit rungi mingi dan kumi ngi kerpar ba ka ar pesan terin kapor kan long kumba khatui beje la biam dai khatui beje step in one no hang tai hapo kamadan hapo ngin pelong i meeting barin bangin pelong meeting lang bangin discuss lang habai dai bakani ha kapor khatui beje step hamadan umlingka halaimia
Lalu.
Haka arpusan terik mentau benai kengi entah Taiew kan haka arpusan terik mentau benai ti kata ka di cingker patrit na kaliang jongi medan lang hang ni ti ngan ongi pi ki sibun ha ki jing e la dengi lap ki ni school bus teng ki school bus teng ngan ongi pi ki klung ki ba san snam rius nam ngila sio da kador ka ba capacity kada ki pho hajar ti henre ki klung ki ba san snam rius nam nong pi ken ha bi kini seat kamlong ko kum capacity kin habia kini seat kulung banyak senang habia kini seat bat ki kena ki balahe kata ka de bengi julak perbo kajing tap tinyan ru kadon ki henre ngi lili bala ya kiu shate shalas chalai mer sau mer ter bon kim tu khamyo to ka shong shu tikun de ha kajing sha ka kum kodor bengi si be one seat koi ka seat nam ta koi kena henre kat ba kajing lap ko jungi kolong do ki khun hi dalawan jan mit ki complain bangi habia kini seat laingut ha koi ka seat nam shong sau te koi seat one si laingut hi koi ka seat ngalo kata but kajing kia jong pelakon ka jongki but tiffin bag but I mean but tiffin nang tabat water bottle kajing kia sikot berban kata kala pensam sta mi klung ki ba kamtang ki ban jaus nam kasnam kata dengi julak perbo nama ki kon jongki man jongki la pas pun tadi kisnam kata ngi julak perbo tingi kirpar kan yang department kan shim kia nyana kaliang jong tikat tu kat nyangut ki ala na kaliang jong government ro kan shim kia kani tempet bahar ka bai bai kajing e ro ka
Kajing Aiman Sim but Kajing Kemen Kalapau haka 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 haka ba ki arngut chikmi chikun kita ikong Marbarisha empada ibala saus nam karta ilahap ban pinbit pinbiang bat tibit biang iladi banyak kun hasanda lang bat ikun jong ihi iba kerteng itu yai baha empada ibala saus nam karta haka senior women's category 10 meters and 50 meters rifle event but haka we pat ka category kata kadeka 10 meters and 25 meters pistol event.
Kajing Aiman Sim at Kajing Kemen Kalami Pau haka Meghalaya Games haka bai kong Marbarisha empada saus nam kerta iha pinbit pinbiang yeladi banyak kun haka jingele akai senda lang bat ikun kan jong itu yai baha empada ibarang arbu saus nam kerta berkini armut kenya kun lang haka senior women's category haka 10 meter bat 10 meter rifle event berkawai part kande haka 10 meter bat arbu meter pistol event. Kajing ai lenti jo kini arngut ka pen isai kajing klan ga yeng ka sam ban yai ringkat lang ban pun ur long ga jing phos niu ka jongki kani bro klawan long hadien bi kong Marbarisha isngo yo mensim da kajing sotanar ka khun ban siat pistol berkat barang yai kipor ijialam ya ka khun ban shahi kai ha ka siat pistol bar ai mensim ya ka habayo i ba ka khun ka kiyo ka kamele ka ki jia khun ba pher ikong Marbarisha ilasdang ban yai thamai kajing em jongi ban mi shakmat ha ki kamle kai
ngai kublai ru sorkar ba kalap lilat yang ni hakani karensan ya lekai komju kena bat kirang baru komju ngila bat ban lekai
Kublai ka sports department ba ka government bakal support dingi bat bakala aila dingi bangin siya mentaha ka nega games to drugs and let us make this state a drug free state. Haswa bangin penkut in pensong biasa pia ki phang bakong san sa shisin Priang sobha ki pat ba ya ka presiden ka ri India hamau plang Lingba shimben jingye shimben tau Amit Shah la penya ya ka plenary session jong ka NEC Mi badan ke HYC bandawa penyo no ya ka ILP ha ka jela Mi ka jingye pen ibor ha padeng kinong ilam ka VPP ba ki board district Yale kailang shikmi shikun ha ki jingye kun ha ka 5th Meghalaya Games hatura Bat kiwi de ki Khubor. Tagi tungin penkut noi kani ka Khubor kani ka Taiew mentangin sia isyam biam bat pihak ka Taiew ka banwan kublai pi baro bat hias.